Well-known leaker. Some hands-on pictures of the Galaxy S25 Ultra variant were released by Ice Universe, and they demonstrate how the design differs from the previous, well-known leaker. The next Samsung Snapdragon 8 Elite flagship is expected to have rounded corners, as previous reports have suggested, according to the hands-on photos of the Galaxy S25 Ultra variant that Ice Universe displayed. In another post on X, the leaker says that One UI 7 will shine with rounded corners as the right-angle design of the S24 Ultra, which is unable to display the brilliance of its animations. Throughout the user interface, the screen animations or angle will remain constant. In addition to being inconsistent due to its right-angled corners, the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to be significantly larger than the S24 Plus, as the leaker points out, and rounder corners typically provide a better hand feel. For comparison, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch screen, while the S24 Plus has a 6.7-inch screen. According to earlier reports from Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 6.86-inch screen, making it feel significantly bigger than the previous model. Previous sources have also suggested that the next top-end flagship will weigh 219 grams instead of the previous model's 232 grams, indicating that it will be lighter due to its smaller bezel. Beyond the appearance, this model's back features the same camera setup as the S24 Ultra, and the leaked renders indicate that the ring's camera will resemble the Z Fold 6S. According to the new hands-on photos, the rings won't change from the original. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.